Learn about a country every day. Tanzania. Tanzania is located in eastern Africa, south of the equator. It consists of two parts, Tanganyika and Zanzibar. The country covers a total area of 945,000 square kilometers. It borders Kenya and Uganda to the north. It neighbors Zambia, Malawi, and Mozambique to the south. It shares borders with Rwanda, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo to the west. It faces the Indian Ocean to the east. The country is divided into 31 regions. Tanganyika has 26 of these regions. Zanzibar has 5 regions. Dodoma, located in central Tanzania, is the new capital. The former capital was Dar es Salaam, situated along the central east coast. It remains the country's largest city today. It hosts Tanzania's busiest airport and its busiest seaport. Other major cities include Mwanza, Mbeya, and Arusha. Geographically, Tanzania lies in the southern part of the East African Rift Valley. It sits between the Western Rift and the Eastern Rift. This also makes the country home to numerous volcanoes. The most famous is undoubtedly Mount Kilimanjaro. It is not only Africa's highest peak, but also the world's tallest freestanding mountain. Due to its extreme elevation, Mount Kilimanjaro alone features 5 distinct climatic zones. Additionally, the East African Rift has shaped Africa's 3 Great Lakes. All 3 lie along Tanzania's borders. Lake Victoria, among them, is Africa's largest lake, and the world's second largest freshwater lake. It is also the source of the White Nile River. Lake Tanganyika is not only Africa's deepest lake, but also the world's second deepest, after Lake Baikal. Lastly, there's Lake Malawi, shared with Malawi to the south. As for the largest lake entirely within Tanzania, that is Lake Rukwa in the country's south. The longest river entirely within Tanzania is the Rufiji River. It flows 600 kilometers from west to east, and empties into the Indian Ocean near Mafia Island. At its estuary, it forms East Africa's largest mangrove forest. Meanwhile, Lake Natron on the northern border with Kenya could be called one of Earth's most dangerous lakes. In 2021, it was certified by Guinness World Records as the world's most alkaline lake. This high alkalinity environment causes animals that touch it to calcify, creating unique petrified landscapes. Moreover, nearly every African animal you can imagine can be found in Tanzania. Over 30% of the country's land is designated as national parks or reserves. Gumstream National Park is where legendary British primatologist Jane Goodall studied chimpanzees, but the most famous are Serengeti National Park and the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. The Serengeti is a vast savanna spanning 15,000 square kilometers. It's renowned for hosting Earth's largest mammal migration. Ngorongoro is the world's largest intact volcanic caldera. Its crater floor is home to about 30,000 wild animals. What makes it unique is that animals outside struggle to enter the crater, while animals inside rarely leave. This creates an isolated ecosystem, often called Africa's Eden. Resource-wise, Tanzania is rich in minerals. Proven reserves include gold, diamonds, iron, nickel, uranium, coal, natural gas, and various gemstones. The country has 33.5 million hectares of forest, producing precious timber like umbilla, pingo, and mahogany. Arable land covers about 44 million hectares, but less than 1/3 of it is currently cultivated. Demographically, Tanzania has a population of about 67.44 million, ranking 5th among African nations.